Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And on today's video, we're going to be talking about probably one of the cooler accessories for your iPhone 12, 12 Pro Max, that whole lineup with the Magsafe enabled. And that's this right here. You guys see this? This is the Moft. I think that's how you pronounce it. The Moft wallet stand, Magsafe compatible for the iPhone 12 series case. And basically what this is it's going to be a wallet and a stand. So Apple has their wallet that literally is just a wallet, and it's like a $50 wallet, and you slap it on the back and you can hold 3 cards, give or take, in it. Now Moft, I found online, is a wallet that allows you to hold 3 cards in it, but it also doubles down as an actual stand. So you've got this kind of origami functionality to it. As you guys can see, that's the general gist of it. And I was going to do an unboxing, but I honestly was pretty hype about this. So as you guys can see, I've got the phone here. This is an OtterBox MagSafe compatible case. So I've done an unboxing on this case in a previous video. Feel free to watch that as well. But you just take this, boom, slap it on the back, and that's all she wrote. Now, when you want to go ahead and actually use it, you can place it like that, and it actually, I don't know if you guys can see that, stands up. So you've got this kind of angle here, you've got this kind of angle here, and then my favorite angle is what they call the floating angle. You basically turn the case around in the back, so it's like such. It's gonna lift it off of the ground, and then boom, you've got that. So of course, these are magnets. So this isn't going to stand here forever. I mean, obviously, as you can see, just applying a little bit of pressure, this comes off. But in terms of actually holding its shape, in terms of actually standing in the spot that you left it, no issues whatsoever. It's not falling off. And that origami functionality is really, really cool. I really like this. I'm glad I returned my Apple wallet, the Magsafe one. This retails for $30. I'm going to link them in the description. Feel free to check them out. I haven't put any cards in this yet, but as you guys can see here, you're just going to lift the back. So if there's anything about this case that I'm thinking is going to be an issue, is going to be to actually get to the cards, because this doesn't hold its shape like that. So if I have cards in here, how do I easily get them out is my concern. Unless you're meant to pull it out like that and then pull your cards out. So I'm going to be doing a follow-up video on this case, on this accessory, but I definitely wanted to go ahead and show you what this is all about, because this is where Magsafe actually adds value to your phone. It's not just because you have a puck that can charge your phone, but when you get creative with the Magsafe line, and you get some magnets up in here that actually hold its place and hold its place well, like this case and this wallet combo accessory, that's when you start to get into the exciting part of Magsafe and what it brings to the table. Again, a little pricey is the case itself. That's another video. This is the OtterBox Symmetry Plus Magsafe. Again, I've made a video on that. I will be doing a review on that as well. But when you have a case that has Magsafe, and then you had accessories that have Magsafe, then I guess Apple's vision comes to fruition. You can use other cases that are thin. The problem with that is it's not going to latch on well. I was using a clear plastic case before to do Magsafe charging. That wasn't working very well. That constantly fell off, slid off, etc. So you definitely want to go in all in terms of Magsafe. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this. Again, I'm going to link it in the description. And again, this is the Moft wallet stand, Magsafe compatible for the iPhone 12 series. And this right here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you have any questions, if there's anything in particular that you guys want me to check out, please let me know. I will be doing a review or a quick follow-up video regarding this case with some actual cards in it. And like always, it was Dando. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, salute, and adios. Booyah! Oh, and stay geeky, guys.